Hi there! Today we are making vegan crème brûlée with mangoes. It's a fruity and dairy-free alternative to the classic recipe. Let's do it! Let's start with the juicy and ripe mangoes. First, we peel them. And then we chop them into cubes small enough to fit in a blender. Selecting very ripe mangoes is important here, as they will keep us from adding any sugar to the custard. Next, grab a can of coconut milk and scoop out the fatty layer at the top. We use this to make a mango crème brûlée creamy and coconutty. To help the fats float to the top, leave the can in the fridge for around 30 minutes. Now, get a bowl and mix the potato starch with the water. The starch will help thicken the crème brûlée as we didn't use any eggs here. Give a good stir until the starch has dissolved. Time to blitz. Grab your blender and pour in the starch mix we just prepared, followed by the coconut milk and the mango chunks. Blitz all into a smooth cream. Transfer your mixture into a pan so that we can activate the starch. Set the heat to a medium-high and stir continuously until the cream thickens. Remove from the heat as soon as the first boiling bubbles appear. The mango cream should be thicker now and will be even more so after we refrigerate it. Next, grab the serving ramekins and fill them almost to the top. Now, let them cool in the fridge for 1 hour. Once ready, sprinkle half a tablespoon of sugar over the top. We sadly ran out of a trusty coconut sugar during the recipe, so we had to use white sugar to finish the video. Use coconut sugar if you prefer. Make sure you cover the entire surface evenly. Now for the cool part, crystallizing the sugars. It would be ideal to use a blowtorch here, but you can also use the grill setting in the oven at a high temperature until the sugars caramelize. By the way, we try to use erythritol instead of white sugar. We noticed that it does crystallize once exposed to the heat, but it doesn't get that nice caramel color. Still, a great option to make this dessert totally sugar-free. All done! All is left to do now is crack this beauty and dig in!